Hello and welcome to our new video. Today, we're exploring Quillbot, the AI-powered writing assistant that's making waves in the world of digital writing. Whether you're a student, a professional writer, or just someone looking to polish your writing skills, stay tuned as we dissect what makes Quillbot a game changer. Let's start with a quick overview. Quillbot isn't just your average grammar checker. It's an all-encompassing tool designed to enhance the quality of your writing. From paraphrasing to plagiarism detection, it's equipped with features that cater to a wide range of needs. Now, let's break down these features. First up, the grammar and spelling checker. Quillbot is meticulous in spotting and correcting errors, from the simplest typo to more complex grammatical nuances. But where Quillbot truly shines is its paraphrasing tool. It helps rephrase sentences while retaining their original meaning, a boon for avoiding plagiarism and enhancing sentence structure. Its diverse writing modes like standard, fluency, and creative each serve a unique purpose, catering to various writing styles and needs. The thesaurus function is another feather in its cap, offering synonym suggestions to spice up your vocabulary. Integration with platforms like Google Docs and Microsoft Word is seamless, enhancing user convenience significantly. The plagiarism checker, though part of the premium version, is a vital feature for ensuring content originality. For educators and students, Quillbot offers a specialized package with features like bulk checking and progress tracking. While Quillbot scores high on many fronts, let's weigh its pros and cons. The pros include a user-friendly interface, high accuracy and reliability, its educational aspect, versatility, and advanced AI-powered suggestions. However, it's not without its drawbacks. The free version has its limitations. There can be occasional overcorrections. It requires an internet connection, and its primary focus is English, which might be limiting for some. Quillbot is particularly ideal for bloggers, writers, students, educators, and non-native English speakers. It's an efficient tool for enhancing writing quality and learning from your writing mistakes. In conclusion, Quillbot stands as a versatile and reliable AI writing assistant. Its pros significantly outweigh the cons, making it a valuable tool for anyone looking to elevate their writing. While it has some limitations, the overall functionality and benefits it offers make it a worthy investment. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again.